Walker. This is my daughter Chelsea. You probably remember her from the hamburger challenge. But she challenged me again for this Christmas and she said, Mommy, I want to make a gingerbread house. I want to challenge you and see who makes first. Of course, I was very lazy this time and we went to IKEA and I already made gingerbread house and we are going to put it together. We are going to put the gingerbread house together. And what is fun is, when you buy, you open the package. Inside the package there,
it's the instructions.
Yes, the instructions. They show you how to do. So I never made a gingerbread house in my entire life. So we're gonna do together. So on the instruction here, it says that you have to make the icing. The ice doesn't come inside the package. So I made the icing and I made 2 bags in here. So this first icing, the first one we are using to start, is a little bit harder. And it has to be very fixed and very hard to connect the 2 pieces together. That's exactly what the package says. But then a little bit later we're gonna make a new one to decorate so then it can be a little bit softer.
And
easy to eat. You see? Easy to pipe. So let's start it. All right, Chelsea, set the time.
Wake me up in
2 minutes.
2 minutes.
Oh my God, it's not delicious, does it? And the sun, I shouldn't talk to you because then you're gonna end up winning. I should not talk to you. I'm going to pipe, and don't copy me too. I'm piping. Escape already. That's not good. Not very good job. I'm gonna pipe this one too.
Trying to make mine harder so you win.
We can change. You have to push more. You see, make really thick. Really thick. This is gonna be too easy. So on the picture say to assemble, standing up. Ooh, look at me. You know what I should have done too? I should have a cardboard paper for us to assemble our house on top of the cardboard. What do you think? So then you stop moving around.
Maybe.
I will get a cardboard paper and put it under so then you stop moving around. Look, mine's up. Okay, so we have to restart the game because I forgot the board. So I got a board and I'm gonna put in my little house on a board and I'm going to pipe in here so the house stop moving. What are you doing? You're not taking this challenge serious.
Well, my house doesn't want to take it seriously.
Apparently, the hardest part is to put the roof.
Because it's on an angle.
Put icing in here. I'm putting icing in here. And Chelsea's still trying to icing all night.
Alright, we're done.
And that's it. I won.
Keep going.
Keep going. I have to go the other
Too
side.
soft, it won't stick.
You want mine? You want to change with me? You get mine.
No one saw.
And
Broken house.
it's okay. I can fix for you. You set a challenge. You say you want a challenge. My house is up, so then we're gonna decorate. Is that too hard for you? Look, you're doing great.
I gave up halfway.
It's not touching.
Don't touch it!
I want to help.
That's what.
It's gonna collapse.
That's what a challenge is. Can't help your opponent.
Chelsea have a little accident there and she's still going. I'm going to make the softy icing for decoration. So I put a egg white inside and now I'm gonna put some icing sugar. And on this case I like to use the pure, no corn flour. Did you happen to see the scissors?
Nope.
No scissors.
Oh great, my house broke. I'm just a titan. Destroy every house I see.
It's not that easy, is it?
Oh,
And
the house ever.
2, 3. She doesn't want me to help. I want to help. She doesn't want me to help. This is very sloppy. Need more. 1, 2, 3. Oh, you gonna let me help?
No, I'm going my house.
This one is nice for decoration. See, because it's nice and soft. Nice and soft. Easy to pipe. How are you going there, my love? Are you recovering? Very good. Look, you're getting very good with the piping. So that should be very easy for you. We all have to... you almost collapsed.
But she touched it.
I know. Oh, I forgot the shimmy. How we forgot the shimmy.
How could she forget the shimmy?
All right. What are we supposed to do? What are we supposed to do? Oh, okay. This goes in here like that. Okay.
The chimney.
The chimney. Chimney?
Chimney.
Can you put it anywhere you want it? Anywhere you want.
Anywhere, but it has to be on the house.
I'm scary. Ah, you smart.
First do it with this, then find the right angle.
This is so hard. I should have done like you did. It made it.
Destroy your house and then refix it 1,000,000 times.
Then after you put the shimmy, it's saying you can decorate any way you want.
For me, it's just putting everything on top and then just going like that with all the candy.
Oh, Shell, there's a lot of snow there. Where do you live that you have that much snow? I don't know where you're gonna put the lollies now.
You can't see because it's right now on her. My roof's destroyed. Oh God, Bruce destroying them.
Oh no!
Don't touch it!
Oh, I wanna help.
Alright, I'm done. House. I know what this video should be called. How not to build a house and how to build a house.
Why, no shimmy? How Santa Claus is gonna come with no shimmy?
Go out the back!
Where it's all open. Ah, she's eating her house. So as you can see, Miss Chelsea gave up on her challenge and she is already eating her house. We have to finish decorate my house because I bought all these lollies in here for us to decorate both the house. Saxon's pink is going everywhere except in the house. Ice coats. Ooh, ice coats.
See, I can't make a house, but I can decorate one. I'll eat it after this video.
What colors do you think we should stick with?
Maybe Christmas colors?
Or should we use all the M&M's color?
All of them,
Yellow.
maybe.
What about the jelly bean? Where are you gonna put a jelly bean?
Yeah, sure.
We could have put lots on inside the house. Look, put lots. Yeah, lots marshmallow
You
inside.
do know that doesn't go inside the house, right?
Yeah, I know, it stops where the roof is, but we couldn't put lots marshmallow there inside. So me and Chelsea, we're gonna keep decorating the house and then we show you how it looks like on the end of this video. If she doesn't eat all the decorations, alright? And that was gingerbread house. Oh my God! Did you thought it was going to be that hard?
No.
Oh my goodness! But here it is. Chelsea decorates all the gingerbread house because she didn't want me to help anymore, and it looks fantastic. It's a lot of fun. I have to say to you, for 1 hour she was very, very quiet. Chelsea's.
Hey, I'm a Tyson, destroyed.
And that's half of mine, half of Chelsea. But we have a good time, didn't we? I think this is a great project to get together with your kids at home. You can make from scratch. There's plenty cutters and recipes all over the internet. We just went to our local IKEA and grabbed 2 houses, and we have a lot of fun putting this house together and eating a lot of lollies. I don't think it's no dinner tonight. Merry Christmas for you all there at home. Have fun with your kids. I sure will enjoy time with my family this holiday. Well, there goes your tree. Merry Christmas!